the only permanent solution to poverty is changing the brains of poor kids. The biggest problem of poverty is the negative impact on the brains of poor children. How can poor children possibly be expected to have a better life when their brains just don't work as well as other children? Eric Jensen, a prominent educator that consults with school districts throughout the U.S., comprehensively summarizes research that clearly shows that poverty has a negative impact on the structure and function of the brains of poor children. However, the answer lies within the problem. We can positively change the brains of poor children through the right brain-based education. Phonemic intelligence is education that can actually change the brains of poor kids quickly and easily. Our preliminary research with Brain Science International in 2012 using QEEG demonstrated that phonemic intelligence has a significant impact on the brain within just 1 minute. The most interesting outcome of the study was that phonemic intelligence activated the anterior cingulate, an important part of the brain for learning, for feeling compassion, and for integrating thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. The critical element that is missing from education nowadays is the culture of learning. We expect children to learn without giving them the tools to actually help them to learn. Phonemic intelligence creates a very positive environment within the brains of children for learning. And that is why we are seeing such phenomenal results with the children who practice phonemic intelligence. We're currently implementing phonemic intelligence with almost 7,000 children throughout the world in vastly different situations, in the poorest rural villages of India, in squatter communities clustered around urban areas that are built with garbage in Mexico, and in public and private schools that serve underprivileged children in the U.S. Across the board, principals, teachers, and parents all give us the same feedback. In about 2 weeks, the children that practice phonemic intelligence demonstrate a significantly greater readiness for learning because they develop more focus and discipline, have better comprehension and memory, have peaceful behaviors, and a higher self-esteem, all leading to better academic performance and, most importantly, happy children who can make better choices in life. Now, I'm going to talk about how together we can bring phonemic intelligence to 100,000 poor kids. It's an emergency.